I'm on my way to the Ford F series King of South Africa. Legend, man. Guy called De Wet Momberg. He is located in Lichtenburg. See if I can find some F100 parts I'm looking for. He's just sent me a video of 351 Windsor engine. I think there's some trouble brewing here.
Sure what the name of this godforsaken little town is where I currently am. But it is the dude is busy writing my fine because I got pulled off. It's apparently driving too fast. Here we go, 400 bucks for driving 80 something in a 60 zone. This one can join the others that I've been collecting over the years.
Driving down the road in your red Cortina. Girlfriend that's your passenger, she was Cortina.
De Wet Momberg from Ford Fanatics. Am I right?
That's right. Hi there.
The guys around in South Africa talk about the Ford F-Series King in South Africa. That's the man you see. De Wet, tell me a little bit more. How many trucks have you got going here?
There's about 22 inside the shop. My shop next door's got about 2 or 3. Some next door as well, and a couple at home.
Wow. And are these all rebuilds for clients and customers?
Mostly for clients. I do own a couple of my own, but mostly for customers.
And how long have you been involved with these Ford F-Series
I've
trucks?
been doing this full time for the last 4.5 years.
Okay.
It's been a hobby of mine since 1996 when I purchased my first truck. Since then I owned more than 100 of my own.
You owned more than 100 of your
100 of my own.
Yes, like, that's incredible. And how's business going? Are you busy? Obviously with COVID and all that, we all suffered.
We're doing well, we can't complain.
You're keeping the boat afloat.
Barely, but yes, we do. We had some setbacks with some of the staff members, even my family, that contracted COVID.
Okay.
But we are keeping the boat afloat.
But I can just add, I mean, I've walked around a little bit, and if you want anything for a Ford F-Series, it's all there. I mean,
I try to be the
really, it's incredible.
F-Series one-stop shop.
You are. I mean, I've just walked around and I've seen like badges and grills and, I mean, anything you can think of. Engines, body parts.
Always room for improvement, but we try our level best.
I think it's incredible. Well done. And I'm so happy I stopped by, and yes, I've made some purchases of myself, which I will show you Oaks later.
I'm so glad you came all the way.
Thanks a lot, eh?
I appreciate the business, as always.
Thanks, meneer. Loaded and almost ready to go. After traveling for 2 days in flat country, these are the first hills I see again. And of course I live in a mountainous area, so for a hillbilly like me, seeing something like this makes me feel a little better again. 351 Windsor on the left and a Ford 351 Cleveland on the right. So this 351 Cleveland is a McNabb's engine. I'm very happy to have it. McNabb's reputation is legend. I'll tell you more about it later. My parts haul from Ford Fanatic includes a new aluminium radiator, some shiny stuff, reduction starter, new master cylinder for my clutch, yeah, even a fancy Ford sticker. Hey guys, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like and comment. I'll catch you Oaks in the next one.